Hello, tubers, and welcome to something a little different from Dr. Jet. Today, we are not in my laboratory. It's currently filled up with guitars. Vinny had a question about the wings and the windshield on the Atlas. So I'm going to address that in this real quick video. The wings and the fins are a sandwich construction of a piece of 1/32 plywood and balsa skins, and it's sanded to an airfoil shape. The plywood center has grooves in it, notches, for carbon fiber rods. So once it's all glued together, you can work a carbon fiber rod in there. And what I do is, if you look at the fins here, you look real close, you can see that I've glued some little short pieces of aluminum tubes into the holes here in the fins. I've done the same thing here on the hull, that these aluminum tubes go down and actually anchor here in the, got some red paint on there, anchor here against the non-trips. So when it's ready to go together, you simply assemble the pieces. Assemble the pieces. And friction alone, because the fins are a little bit of an angle, so when they go in, there's a little bit of side load friction on them. Not enough to break anything, but enough to keep them in position. And so that's how the wing gets attached. See? Now, if you flip this thing at speed, that's gone. The windscreen. I gave you a piece of blue tinted cup. What you do is you take a piece of paper, and after you've sanded your cowl to shape, you will put this piece of paper on there and then trace the shape of the windscreen on here. Then you'll take that shape, cut it a little larger, and put it on your cup. Cut your cutout cup out to that shape. It's already got a bit of a curve in it. And then just trial and fit, try and fit sand until you get a nice, good fitting windscreen. And because it's a little bit curved, you can always take a heat gun and very gently heat it and add a little bit more curve to it to get this tight bend here. And so that's it. So this guy is done. All we have to do is a little extra waterproofing in here, and we're going to deal with this once it's all together, and get his windscreen. And little Bill Muncie is going to be ready to go out and whiz around the pond. So there you go. Jet out.